Hello everybody and welcome to Phone Critic. Today we're going to be reviewing the Panasonic HJE120s. So this is the packaging that these headphones come in. In my opinion, these are the best headphones for under $10, and I'll tell you why. So I actually just picked up a new pair of these headphones. I used to have another one, but I was jet skiing yesterday and they fell out of my pocket and they're in the lake. So I just picked up another pair off of Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description of this video where exactly you can buy these exact headphones. Now, I absolutely love these things, and they're a huge upgrade from the old style of headphones like this. They used to come with old iPod touches and stuff that used this weird earpiece. Is way too big. I mean, you'd have to have gigantic ears for these things to fit in. They're just stupid, okay? You don't want headphones like this. Absolute junk. We're going to be taking a look at these ones. Now, as you can see, the part that goes in your ear on these is a million times better, and it even comes with a couple bonus ones. So for under $10, you cannot find a better pair of earphones, headphones, whatever you want to call them. Let's open them up and take a look at what comes in the box. So opening them up, as you can see right here, we have some spare little pieces. These little kind of semi-transparent pieces are the pieces that go into your ear. Now these are just spare ones. They do have some that come on the headphones themselves. So here's the spare ones, always nice to have. But the headphones are right here. And here they are when they're new. So these come in a variety of colors. I got the blue ones. Really like the color of these things. Well, we got a cat in the studio. He just jumped up on the table. Say hello, Tim. So guys, back into the review of these headphones. Let's take a look at the 3.5mm plug-in that comes on the end of these headphones. This is the part that plugs into your device, and as you can see, it's got a nice L shape here, which I really like, because if you're using your phone or device or whatever and you happen to be laying down, you can actually set your device down with the headphones and it won't break the headphones. As opposed to headphones like this, that if you sit down or something, if you want to rest your phone, look, it's going to break the cable. And these things are already absolute junk with these stupid earpieces that no one can fit in their ear. And then add this to boot, and it's just terrible design. So going back to these headphones, I really like this piece up on the top here. And also, here's what the cable looks like, as you can see. It's nice. It's got a little dual cable thing going on right here. Nice blue cable. And here's the part where the headphones separate, right here. And I like how this thing doesn't move so you don't accidentally tear down your headphones. That's a really nice feature of these little earphones here. And then here are the top of the earphones. Really like the design of this. They fit in your ear really well. Really like how these things fit in your ear. The sound quality is great as well. And I think they're an absolute steal for under $10 on Amazon. Remember, link is down in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in buying these headphones. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this review of the Panasonic HJE120s. So here's a quick demonstration now with my LG G6. As you can see, it plugs in the 3.5mm jack right on the top here. And if the jack was on the bottom of the phone, on the G6 it's actually on the top of the phone, but if it was on the bottom, you could rest it nicely on it and make sure nothing gets bent or broken on the cable. So that's a really nice feature of these headphones. I highly recommend these headphones if you're looking for a great pair of earphones under $10. Remember, link is down in the description. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button below to subscribe to Phone Critic for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.